Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. Check. Alright. Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the solenoid. I have some starting issues. It will not start. It's not going to start now anyway because the seat's up, but it won't start. I'm able to hotwire and get it started by bridging the two contacts on the solenoid. So either ignition switch is bad or solenoid. I got both parts, and I guess I should make a video on both, but we're going to start with the solenoid because I believe this to be the actual problem. And if we take a look at it, looks like we've got some kind of cable that goes with it. It mounts on two screws, and then there's two positive connections to it. By bridging these with a pair of pliers so I wouldn't get shocked, I'm able to send voltage to the starter and force the lawnmower to start, but we really want it to work with the key, so we're going to swap this out. Now the location is not really easy to get to. It's located under the seat bracing here, and there are two, I'm going to guess, 10mm screws. They're going to be hard to get to. Presumably you'd want to get to them from the bottom, but we're going to attempt to see if we can't go ahead and handle this from the top. First thing I think we'll do is disconnect this positive battery cable. That's not good. This is a new battery, so just so happen to still have the contact covers there. tape and all that, huh? Alright, if we solved our problem, it should start now. Alright, so I either nailed it or I gotta keep working. So, let's see. Pull the choke. Here we go. Well, we got our problem solved, just needed to start. Well, we might be flooded, because I did choke it. Alright, there we go, that's a winner. So change the solenoid, not easy on this model. Hopefully that helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. That goes a long way to help YouTubers like me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.